The car caught trapped in the floodwater in the southern part of Pakistan. When nobody dares to go there, one brave man with excavator went there and tries to help them. At one times it looks that car might gone away due to high pressure of water. It looks very difficult to rescue the car. An excavator also looks in danger in front of massive water flood. But finally, he succeeded in grabbing the car and take them safely out of this water. This man did a great act of bravery and courage.